Alright guys, let's solve some problems. So the current I4 in the circuit is the thing we need to find out. Alright then. So I'll look at this node and see what all current is coming here. So here 7 amps, here 4 amps, here I don't know. So let's find this one. So again, I'll see at this node now. So here I'm getting 5 amps, here I'm getting 3 amps. So I need to know the current which is in this branch. Alright, so I'll come at this point here and I'll see 4 is going there, 3 is going there. So it's kind of splitting if you see. So here the current which is flowing is 7 amps. Alright, so I got 7 here, 5 and 3 here. So I'll get 1 amps here flowing, and here 1 amp. So it is the current I4 can be written as 7 plus 1 plus 4, which is nothing but 12 amps. But if you see the KCL, the concept of KCL, this current has to flow in this direction. So I'll get minus 12 amps. That's my answer. Okay, now let's see this. To know this, you need to know KVL. Alright, when I see something connected in parallel here, these two nodes, they are in parallel. So the voltage which will appear across this resistor is 4 volts. Now I apply KVL across this loop, starting from here. So I'll get minus 5 plus 4 and come here, plus 4 and come here, minus V equal to 0. So my voltage will be 8 minus 5, which is 3 volts. That's my answer. Now let's look at the circuit. The voltage V in the figure is always equal to. Now the problem with this is I don't know this element here. I have no idea what exists there. So it is not easy to determine what is the voltage there, because you can't determine simply like that. So it is none of these. Now let's check out this circuit. When I see a circuit like this where there are two sources, superposition comes into my mind. So I'll just consider this first source and I'll ignore this one. So I'll make this an open circuit. Boom, like that. And I'll find the voltage here, which I'll call as V1. Now V1, if I see, is nothing but L di by dt, where L is 1 Henry and di is a current which is flowing in that inductor, which is given by EA to the power T, the differential. So if I do that, I get A E A T. Alright, now I need to find V2. To find V2, I will ignore this one and find V2 with the second source. Now I get L di by dt again, L being 1 Henry, and di is dEBED by dt, which will give me BE exponential to the power BT. So once I get this, my answer is simply this plus this, V1 plus V2, superposition. So my answer is this. Now let's look at this circuit. Here we need to find this voltage. Alright. Now as soon as I see this, I can see some 0 volt here. Alright. I don't know what is V2, I don't know what is V1, but I do know this and this. So I'll apply a KVL across here. I can draw the circuit too. So it will be nothing but now I apply KVL and I get here first minus 10. I come here, I get minus 5. I come here, I get minus E. Then I come here, I get minus 1. And that completes my loop. Applying KVL. So I get E as minus 10, minus 5, minus 1. Gives me minus 16 volts. So my answer is minus 16 volts. See you next time, guys.